let's look into the one more concept as a clean as you code. We have looked into before, but now we're going to dig deep into that. So, what is a clean as you code? So, clean as you code is an approach to code quality that eliminates a lot of challenges that come with traditional approaches. As a developer, you focus on maintaining high standards and taking responsibility specifically in the new code you are working on. SonarQube gives you the tools that let you set high standards and take pride in knowing that your code meets those standards. So, let's focus on new code. So, when with clean as you code, your focus is always on new code. So, code that has been added or changed according to your new code. So, definition and making sure that the code you write today is clean and safe. And the personal responsibility, one more thing that's very part of clean as you code. So with clean as you code, you aren't responsible for anyone else's code. You own the quality and security of the new code you are working on today at this moment. If you add new issues, SonarQube automatically assigns them to you so you can maintain quality in your code. And quality gate, which is also part of the clean as you code. These are the fundamental components of clean as you code, like what a personal responsibility and quality gate. So your quality gate is like a set of conditions that tells you whether you need whether or not your project is ready for release. So with the clean as you code approach, your quality gate should focus on either new code metrics. That's what when your quality gate is set to focus on new code metrics, like the built-in Sonaway quality gate, new features will be delivered cleanly as long as your quality gate is green. So let me show that the quality gates. Let me get into the quality gates. So at this moment we have two quality gates: a Sonaway that's a built-in, and then CA gate. So that's the one. And second one, set and enforce the high standards. When standards are set and enforced on a new code, you aren't worried about having to meet those standards in old code and having to clean up someone else's code. So the one more component of clean as you code is a pull request analysis. So you can use pull request analysis and decoration to make sure your code is meeting your standards before you merge.